Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from the Holiday Inn Cincinnati Eastgate. We just checked in. It's almost midnight. It's been a long drive. We finally made it, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick room tour as usual. So first impression, this Holiday Inn is definitely a larger establishment. It appears to be set up for, bigger conferences and events and possibly trade shows. That's the first impression that I got. It's definitely been around. It's definitely older. And yeah, the service was good at the check-in. Not so sure about that. Yeah, I guess this fridge has been around too. But yeah, it's definitely an older property. There's like an interesting fountain waterfall situation in the front lobby when you walk in, which is somewhat unique for a Holiday Inn. But yeah, in here you can see like even the carpet. It's definitely more on the dated side. But yeah, the service was good. Check-in was smooth. So no complaints there. Huge parking lot, lots of parking, but yeah, you have to kind of figure out where your room is, and then you kind of figure out the parking situation, because we parked on pretty much the opposite side of the hotel because we didn't know where a hotel room was. Okay, so I'll show you guys the bathroom. Yeah, this is one of those old toilets that flushes like 13 liters every single time you flush it. But yeah, it is what it is. Seems to be clean. Pretty clean. Ish. Yeah, I would say I would feel comfortable here. It's it smells good, I guess you could say. No huge red flags. It's just dated, that's all. No big deal. Okay guys, that was the quick room tour here from this Holiday Inn Cincinnati Eastgate. That's pretty much it for now, and do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this channel, comment on this video if you've been to this property before. I'd love to know. I'd love to find out what your experience was. It's our first time here in Cincinnati, so looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. Travel Guru TV. Peace.